Hello, little poopers. Oh, little poopers. Let's go down, little pooper. One of Zoe's boys, like golden boys. Here's a dark one, though. Let's see if we can turn this one around. Get down, little pooper. Aw, there's a darker golden boy, too. Yeah. What you doing? Oh, look at this little precious one right here, though. Yes, sirree. That's a soda pop pooper. And you's over there barking, little pooper. What you barking for, little pooper? Aw, what's the matter, boy? You gonna be a cute dark golden one too. But yeah, I haven't forgot about you. Well, you all. I bet you that's a little Bella girl. Yes, that is. Little Bella girl. It's okay, babies? What you doing? There's another little Bella girl right there. Aww. This is a dark little Bella girl right here, though. She's just a little girl. She's a lot younger than the rest of these. There goes a Bella's girl, too. Oh, look at this light golden one. So this is Bella's and Zoe's puppies, though. Look at them, Tom. Oh, my goodness. What you doing back there, little feller? Oh, he said I can bark. That's my first bark. How did I do? There's a little Bella girl. Whoa, you're just full of barks. Poopers. Yeah, sweet little poopers. Yeah. Hope y'all see all the little poopers, y'all. Aww. What's wrong with you, old sleepyhead? The little ones now are Bella, so 3 girls and 2 boys. And the bigger ones are 7 boys and 1 girl. We got 2 over here just a sleeping, though. Let's get them in the puppy pile. The soda pop has got some mighty big little boys over here, guys. Oh! Whoa, look at that one. Just crawl around barking at everybody. Look at that little girl of Bella's, dark golden girl. Oh, look at these sweet 2 over here. Boy, they're gonna retrieve that great gold too through their life, man. Though love is the only gold these little puppies will ever know throughout their whole life. So, in life, though, it is and always will be the greatest gold that can be given. So, listen to them. And Soda Pop got some good-sized little boys in here too. Oh, look at that sweet little one. Okay, y'all, I'm Rick, and this is Zoe's and Bella's little puppies. Hoping everybody has a mighty great day, guys.